Hi everyone. Today we're going to make gnocchi in one bowl using the dome. We begin by placing peeled cooked potatoes in a bowl and chopping them with the blade part of the dome. When they're small enough, you can press with the dome and mash the potatoes thoroughly. You can add some salt. Keep mashing, pressing out all of the lumps. Now we add flour to taste. You might prefer it more potato-y or more doughy. Try half the volume to see how you like that. And then blend well. Moisten with some egg. If you happen to add too much, you can balance it by adding a little bit more flour. And then blend all the ingredients together. We're going to cut the dough into sections and take it into your hands. First roll it into a ball and then roll it into a rope about 3/4 inch in diameter. This rope will be cut into pieces. For a simple finishing touch, flatten the rope of dough with the dome, and then press the sides together to meet in the middle. It will have a seam running down the center. Then cut off small pieces of the dough. And there's more dough to work with. And here I'm going to show how to use a fork to make another decorative finishing touch. Roll out the dough into a rope and just take the fork and run it down the length of the rope in order to make decorative parallel lines. If you make a very light dough, neither of these finishing touches will really show up very well after cooking them. You can also use the dome to make parallel cuts that are very decorative, and these hold up a little bit better. Cook them in boiling water until they float to the top, but you could also steam them in a sauce for a recipe.